Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope y'all doing very well. Crypto T back in the building. Welcome to my fellow YouTubers and, of course, all the new subscribers. And if you happen to be new to my channel for the very first time here today, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Hit the get notifications bell as well. I just want to bring something different to you guys. Usually I'm always sharing the crypto space, crypto sphere, ICOs that I'm currently doing. But, Anthony Bourdain, may he rest in peace, was someone who I truly followed. I was inspired to travel, more because of him, and learn from the different sides of culture when it comes to the food, right? Like food is culture, right? And I'm a food junkie, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to, share my condolences, and I do apologize about the telegram. I did not shut that off. um, apparently Anthony Bourdain, he is that madcap, person who pretty much brought New York restaurants and Manhattan, the food culture in Manhattan and different sides of that out into the arena, and branded it that way. For him to be found dead in a hotel room in France, Strasbourg, France, that is, and apparent suicide. It's unbelievable, man. It goes to show that, the demons, man, demons come around. They always around us. That it's that spiritual realm we don't see, man. You got to be careful with the decisions y'all make, So it says here that Mr. Bourdain, he spent 2 decades in restaurant kitchens. First he was, chucking oysters and cleaning dishes in a Cape Cod seafood shack, and later serving high-end, meals in Manhattan, before accepting a friend's offer to fly him to Mexico if he agreed to write a novel. You see how things happen, man. Things happen for a reason. And what happens after that, it's up to you as an individual. So it says that it was the start of a second act as an author and then a host, redefining the staid genre, right, of food writing and food tourism, and he shows with the inquisitive but rebellious image that endorsed him to fellow chefs, restaurant goers, and travelers. So it's just sad that this person apparently allegedly took his own life. We don't know, but my deepest condolences to the family. I just wanted to share this real quick before business as usual, as we always say here in New York. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this out. I'll leave this link down below so you guys can read it. Of course, I'm not gonna read through it. I remember this video right here. Let's check this out real quick.
So this upcoming episode is in one of my favorite cities in Hanoi. I went to school in Hanoi. I went to university in Hanoi for 6 months back in the last 6 months of the first part of 2021. There were no cars in the city. It's completely changed. Hanoi has changed, but the bones are still there. I mean, the things that you probably loved about the place are still there. The rich architecture, the boulevards, the smell of Vietnam that grabs you and keeps you forever. And all the food stands on the street. Food stands, the street culture, the sensibility, the colors. And it was important because when I was there in 91, there weren't many Americans, or a handful of us who actually lived in Hanoi at the time. But people would talk about the war, but they were also incredibly curious about America. Now more than ever. I mean, most of the country are young. Most of the living Vietnamese have no record if they weren't alive for the war. It's more and more every day an abstraction. Many American veterans of war go back and find themselves just devastated by how welcome they are.
Wow, look at the quail's egg. Wow.
So good. You sat down with President Obama. You went out to a meal with President Obama. How cool is that? We've been secretly planning this for some time. No one knew. Africa didn't know. Cameron people didn't know. Very few people outside of a small group in the White House knew. They were going to do something. And when we heard that the president was planning. Whose idea was it? Was it your idea? White House called. Really? They're like, we like the show. We'd love to have the president do something. I don't know the exact wording, but for whatever reason, they seemed willing to play. And my feeling was, if we're going to do this, we should do it right. I mean, we should be sitting in a banquet room with the Hilton. We should do what we do. Let's just hang out in some working class place. So did people in the restaurant know he was about to pop in? No one knew ever that in 5 minutes, the president is going to roll up. Did people flip out? They flipped. And really one of the great things that came out of it was the reaction of ordinary Vietnamese. Some people do not love it in your liver, but it's good for you, like my mother used to say. She broke into something terrible. Never had liver before, this should come as no surprise. I love the tartare. Tartare is incredible. I've never seen a guy enjoy a cold beer in a low plastic stool more than President Obama, by the way. I can't wait to see that.
Very interesting, guys. Very interesting. So anyway, man, homage to my man Anthony Bourdain. I do apologize about the beeping sound in the back. You do have something in the oven. Imagine that, huh? Anyway, this man has showed us as men that, there's love in cooking, right? There's inspiration in that, man. And, this man has made a novel and a name for himself and sharing with people, man, that, it's not just one thing or one class of food that we have to get used to, right? Like, we know that in America, we have all different types of food that we have the opportunity to take advantage of, right? But I just wanted to share this quick video, guys. You guys can read this. I'm gonna leave you guys the link down below. Sad day today. We lose one of the best, especially when it comes to building communities and helping people come as one, man. He's one of the many, man. All right. So, with that being said, man, Crypto Tea is out. Many blessings to you all. Anthony Bourdain, renegade chef who reported from the world's tables, is found dead at the age of 61 years young. I'll leave you guys the link down below. With that being said, guys, many blessings, one love, peace.